The Russian military has officially received a new consignment of Su-34 fighter bombers, a development that continues Moscow's ongoing strategy of bolstering its aerial strike forces amid escalating global security challenges and the war in Ukraine. The announcement came through the United Aircraft Corporation (UAC), which confirmed that the delivery was made under Russia's State Defense Order for 2025. The new Su-34 jets, also known by their NATO designation Fullback, are set to expand the operational capabilities of Russia's air fleet at a time when combat operations demand precision, versatility, and long-range power projection. The delivery highlights the Kremlin's commitment to maintaining a modern and resilient air force despite economic sanctions, industrial constraints, and heavy losses sustained in Ukraine. The Su-34 has long been considered one of Russia's most versatile and dependable aircraft, designed to replace the aging Su-24 Fencer that had served since the Soviet era. Entering service officially in 2014, the aircraft quickly became a symbol of Russia's renewed air power. Unlike traditional fighter jets that focus primarily on air-to-air combat, the Su-34 is a true multi-role platform. It can carry out long-range bombing raids, conduct precision-guided missile strikes, perform maritime patrols, and even engage in electronic warfare and intelligence-gathering missions. This versatility stems from its twin-seat design, powerful avionics suite, and ability to carry a massive weapons payload. Its ability to function in multiple roles allows Russian commanders to deploy fewer aircraft while covering a broader spectrum of missions, a critical advantage in modern hybrid warfare. UAC officials have emphasized that the new batch of Su-34s includes enhanced avionics and mission systems, potentially featuring improved radar technology capable of detecting stealth aircraft and advanced enemy air defenses. The aircraft's cockpit, designed for two pilots seated side by side, allows for greater crew coordination and reduced fatigue during long missions. The Su-34 also retains advanced survivability features, including armored cockpit protection for the crew, electronic countermeasures to jam enemy radar, and the capability to operate in contested environments where NATO standard air defense systems may be present. Military insiders suggest that the newest deliveries may also feature upgrades to weapon integration, enabling the deployment of Russia's latest precision-guided munitions, cruise missiles, and standoff weapons designed to strike from safe distances. The Su-34 has already proven its effectiveness in combat. In Syria, the aircraft was heavily used during Russia's military intervention, carrying out bombing campaigns against rebel groups, terrorist targets, and infrastructure across the country. Its ability to deliver both unguided and guided munitions made it a reliable tool for Russia's expeditionary operations. Analysts point out that in Ukraine, the Su-34 has been employed to strike fortified positions, logistics hubs, and troop concentrations. However, the conflict has also exposed vulnerabilities. Several Su-34s have reportedly been shot down by Western-supplied air defense systems, including US-made Patriot and NASAMS, demonstrating that while the aircraft is powerful, it is not invincible against modern, layered air defense networks. Nevertheless, Russia's decision to push forward with new deliveries of the Su-34 sends a clear strategic message. Despite the heavy strain on its defense industry from sanctions, labor shortages, and limited access to Western components, Moscow is determined to keep its aircraft production lines active. This not only boosts frontline combat capability but also serves as a demonstration of industrial resilience. By highlighting the Su-34 program's continuity, Russia signals to both domestic and international audiences that it retains the ability to manufacture advanced combat aircraft independently of Western support. The delivery also reassures the Russian military command that replacements and reinforcements will continue to flow, sustaining the operational tempo of ongoing campaigns. From a geopolitical standpoint, the reinforcement of Russia's Su-34 fleet is significant. Air power remains a decisive factor in modern conflicts, allowing nations to strike deep into enemy territory, disrupt supply chains, and control the pace of battlefield engagements. With the Su-34's ability to operate in all weather conditions, carry more than 8 tons of ordnance, and maintain a combat radius exceeding 1,000 kilometers without refueling, the aircraft provides Russia with a flexible strike capability across multiple fronts. Its presence strengthens Russia's deterrence posture against NATO forces stationed in Eastern Europe while also providing Moscow with options for rapid escalation should regional conflicts intensify. In addition to combat performance, the Su-34 represents the culmination of decades of Russian aerospace engineering. Derived from the Su-27 flanker family, it incorporates the agility of a fighter with the payload of a bomber. Its twin AL-31F engines provide it with the thrust necessary to carry heavy loads without sacrificing maneuverability, making it more adaptable than traditional bombers. The jet's advanced navigation and targeting systems also allow it to conduct precision strikes deep into enemy territory, even under electronic jamming or GPS-denied conditions. These attributes ensure that the Su-34 will remain a backbone of Russia's tactical bomber fleet well into the 2030s. As tensions between Russia and the West continue to rise, the arrival of new Su-34 fighter bombers underscores the Kremlin's focus on sustaining and modernizing its strike capabilities. The aircraft not only enhances Russia's ability to project force regionally but also serves as a reminder of Moscow's long-term military ambitions. For Russia's adversaries, the growing Su-34 fleet poses a continued challenge, as it combines endurance, heavy firepower, and multi-mission flexibility in a single platform. For Russia, the deliveries symbolize more than just new jets. They reflect the nation's determination to remain a formidable air power despite the economic and political isolation it currently faces.